Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we use mirror command in AutoCAD. To use mirror command in AutoCAD, what you have to do is you have to type mi. Mi here is the shortcut mi. Here you can see mirror. Just press space or enter. Here I will hover my mouse to the line which I want to mirror, and then press space, select the object, and then specify, select the object and specify first point of the mirror. So click here. Like if I want parallel lines, so I'll click here and I'll hover my mouse to the left, and here you can see like this my line says line is mirror. And here you can see here it is showing me erase source object, yes or no. So I don't want to erase my source object, so I'll type n here like this. Let's say for an example, if I type yes, so if I again mirror and I'll click here and yes, so the source object will be deleted. So here let's say another example, here I'll type mi, enter mirror here like this. I'll drag here like this. If I drag here, so mirror will be there. So I'll drag here like this, and I'll just click anywhere. And if I want to erase source object, I'll type no. So this is the way you can mirror line in AutoCAD. So I hope you find this video useful. So take care. Bye bye.